welcome. Today we'll discuss a monologue drama filled with pain, meaning, and the symbols. The title, The Care and Fighting of Baby Birds by Anne Wheeler. The main character is Connie, a woman drowning in sadness, but still holding on to a thread of hope. Let's start with the story structure. First is expositions. The story opens with Connie alone in her living room. She finds a baby bird fallen from his nest, tiny and dying. He says, "I found you in the dirt, not even a real bird yet, just this breathing net." Second is rising actions. While caring for the bird, Connie tells us about her chaotic life. No money, no hope, and feeling utterly alone. Third, climax. When she says, "If you die, that's it for me," we realize saving the bird is her way of saving herself. Fourth is falling action and resolutions. Connie starts to change. She is still sad and angry, but begins to see life has a meaning, even it's small. We're both not dead yet. That's something. Next, we move to conflict. This drama is full of conflict, both internal and external. First is internal conflict. Connie struggles with suicidal thoughts. She's tired of hoping. Do I hope is life the last little bird of that is dies? I'm so tired of hoping. Second is external conflict. Her relationship with her father is deeply wounded, like your own father calling you a waste of skin. Next is characters. There's only one main character is Connie. She is depressed but caring. The quotation is, "I couldn't let those needy ugly babies die." And next is self-aware and angry. The quotation is, "I'm just so angry." Next is depressed but still searching for a meaning. The quotation is, "I'm lost here. God, I'm just lost." This story has a theme. Oh, last but not least, theme. The main themes are despair and emptiness. The quotation is, "I'm out of resilience, plumb out." So next is searching for meaning in life. The quotation is, "Maybe saving you saved me." Next is the main issues in the care and feeding of baby birds. In Anne Wheeler, The Care and Feeding of Baby Birds, the main issue is Connie's internal struggle between giving up life and choosing to keep going. She is overwhelmed by failure, depressions, and rejection for both society and her own father. Feeling hopeless, she ties her survival to two fragile baby birds she finds. As she cares for them, they become a symbol of meaning in her otherwise meaningless life. Connie says, "If you die, that's it for me," showing how much her hope depends on their survival. When the birds eventually die, Connie is devastated. Yet instead of ending her life, she says, "I'm still here. I'm still here." That moment shows her quiet decision to keep living. Through Connie's story, Rella reveals how even the smaller act of care can give someone a reason to stay alive. The play highlights that something surviving is already an act for courage. Thank you for watching. Never underestimate even the smallest hope. It might be what saves you. My name is Nayada azzikra. I'm from 04SIGP 004. Thank you.